How to remove your country from VK on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove it easy and quick. First open VK and then click on your profile here. Once you're here, click these 3 points in top corner and then click edit profile. Scroll all the way down until you find contacts, and then here you will find country. Click on it and then here is it. Click non-selected and that's it. Save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.